फर्स्ट वन ये चाइल्डहुड फेज को बताता है कि वो कैसे अपने दोस्तों के बीच में आउटकास्टेड फील करती थी. Tiny pebbles in my pocket and a paper boat. I waited on park bench for the friends who never showed. I followed them once to their parents' home. On the gate was their mother, shouting on my mention, deprived children steal toys from good ones, never bring her home. The kids obeyed, waved me no goodbyes. I ran, and I ran for my life, with dry tears on my bubbly cheeks, through a jungle, through a brook, wind whisking my tiny curls, like a mother's assurance. Some leaf rustling by, some crickets singing a hymn to the lost childhood innocence. My mind was numb when I started to think, what makes them good over me? Why are they good over me? Can they hold sand any longer? Can they chase a butterfly any higher? Could they count more stars than me in the wide, wide God's open sky? No. In my defense, those were my toys. I was not someone who would steal your toys. I think of that story every 3 a.m. of a restless night in this big city. Now, I run into acquaintances like you and everyone, but never to a friend in need. So this was the childhood, the deprived, secluded childhood. अब ये teenage में पहुँचती है and she faces domestic violence on her mother, okay? और ये लिखती है, January is no friend. It has never been. And I missed my father's shawl, for that kept me warm. Or at least I thought so. But when I saw my mother's shivers, I saw him being the harbinger of winter chills in her spine. I saw a dead, deep cut on her upper naked back, seemingly from his leather belt. Frozen blood must have pained her a lot. She said it was solely her wounds to endure. But it sure ripples in my nerves too. What should I do? How do I make him repent? How do I make him see through? Will he ever repent? Even in the life after this? A woman inside of me shouted, no. So I stopped missing my father's shawl because January is no friend after all. Again, it's a disturbed father-daughter relation that grows into adulthood. My father crushed the descent of his bride on their very first night. Her daughter is speaking from whether the mother has stopped trying. He is taken aback at my capacity of unforgiveness. Not that he ever asked for it, but that the thought he can never have it. It stings him, it haunts him, it burns his male ego. Every woman in his life has sung same lullabies, which I couldn't. Women before me have spoiled him so much to be a girl dad. Women after me saw my condition, a daughter being trodden by the father, and became spineless. He expects me to be any other woman but myself. I expected him to just be my dad. He never knew how to expect, how to swallow his pride. Neither do I. ये हो गया डिस्टर्ब रिलेशनशिप का. नाउ शी इज़ रिमिनिसिंग कि व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड अगर वो रिकॉल कर पाए कि जिस दिन वो हॉस्पिटल में पैदा हुई थी उस दिन उसके पापा का क्या रिएक्शन था. लाइक यू नो, जब हर कुछ बहुत ब्रोकन होता है सो यू ट्राई टू फाइंड कि क्या हुआ. हो सकता है उस वक्त उनको प्यार हुआ होगा, मतलब बच्चा हुआ है देख करके. सो शी इज़ इमेजिनिंग कि क्या कैसी स्टोरी रही होगी उस दिन. शी वॉज लाइंग ब्लीडिंग ऑन द हॉस्पिटल बेड, curled stomach in guilt, and had her mind forced shut with anesthesia shots. Was half in trance when heard. I arrived. It's the mother, uska condition hai, like she is on the bed. He didn't reach out to the crib, nor did ask for our recovery. He was disgusted. He was robbed. For me, that was a bummer. My eyes were curious, rattling, reminiscing the sins of previous lives. That I remembered was the first sight of him. In my heart of hearts, I knew this is gonna be this way forever. My first cries were like my last ones, unable to break the fortress of his heart. He finally looked at me. We had our very first conversation. He said things I couldn't understand. I thought it feels the same way to be a girl unwelcomed in a house where a father is like him. It was my first act of being around a man who does not approve of me. That taught me to be disappeared behind the curtains in voiceless groans. He took his car and it was time to leave. And when he left, my God, a miracle happened. I stopped crying. Not in relief, but in confusion. To be honest, I longed for some good last word and a hand holding. I was ashamed of wanting more of him. When he was surely exhausted, so defeated on birth of a daughter, he left as if he missed the vital deals of his life. In those hours before the winter dusk, I knew I will always love him, even if he won't. Thank you. The last one, please bear with me. Now, it's the time when she is divorced and she is understanding कि वो कैसे गलत इंसान को चूज़ कर ली, जब उसको पता था कि गलत इंसान क्या होता है, फिर भी उसकी चॉइस इतनी फॉल्टी कैसे हो सकती है. तो ये अपने हस्बैंड को लेटर लिख रही होती है, द कैरेक्टर इन द नॉवल. Our wedding cake turned sour because we decided to share it with people who wished us no good. The party poppers are showering in foul, wretched sarcasm. A plate full of class difference arrived. Baby, just have a piece. I'm not in my senses. Help me get my shoes. Baby, let's run. They won't let us dance for the melodies we want. Why? I'm a woman who needs to be beneath you forever. Thank you.